Hello there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about the best breast pumps on all of Amazon. This is the FEISIKE Wearable Electric Double Breast Pump. You guys, what makes this design so special is that it's really small, but it can still hold a large capacity of milk, up to 6 ounces. But again, it's tiny. It's wearable. You can put it right into a nursing bra, and also you can easily take it with you in a bag, like not just a mom bag, like an actual cute bag, because it's so small. These are comfortable. There is a variety of settings. It's got 2 different modes and 16 different suction levels. So you guys are going to be able to find what works for you and what is most comfortable for you. So that way you know you are getting the best performance and the best output of milk for your baby, but also what is most comfortable for you. It has an anti-backflow design, so it's safe and hygienic and going to hold up and be really durable. It's also really easy to clean as well. Made of Bpa-Free, all really safe materials. It's quiet. The settings are really easy to use, all on the little screen. Really a great product. You're going to be very happy with this one. You can go ahead and put this on your registry or put this in your cart. You're going to be super happy that you did.